In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use wildcard characters in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to work with wildcard characters. This can be any workbook where you need to search for, count, or match text patterns more flexibly. Wildcards are especially helpful when your data is similar, but not always exactly the same. Once your workbook is open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the names are placed in cells A1 through A4. Having a simple list like this makes it easier to understand how wildcard matching works before you apply it to a larger data set. Next, click on an empty cell, such as B1, where you want the result to appear. In that cell, enter a COUNTIF formula using a wildcard pattern. For this example, type a formula that uses the range A1 through A4, followed by a comma, and then the pattern JO inside quotation marks, and then close the formula. After entering the formula, make sure to adjust it if needed. If your data is in a different location, replace A1 through A4 with the range that contains your own data. You can also change the search text to match a different pattern, depending on what you're looking for. This is what makes wildcard characters so useful. You can quickly adapt the same formula to many different situations. Now press enter. Excel will return the result, which in this example is 2. That happens because both John and Johnny begin with the letters J-O. So both entries match the pattern used in the formula. To understand why this works, it helps to know what the wildcard is doing. In this case, the formula uses the asterisk symbol. The pattern Joe means any text that starts with Joe. The asterisk stands for any number of characters after that, including no additional characters at all. So a short name and a longer name can both match as long as they begin the same way. There are a couple of other wildcard characters worth knowing. The question mark matches exactly one character, which is useful when you need a pattern with a fixed text length. The tilde is used when you want Excel to search for an actual wildcard symbol, such as an asterisk or a question mark, instead of interpreting it as a wildcard. Once you understand these symbols, working with text in Excel becomes much faster and more flexible. And that's it. You now know how to use wildcard characters in Excel.